A warm welcome to all of you. Today I'll be showing you how to make Tabakhmaaz. Tabakhmaaz is a starter dish in Kashmiri cuisine, Wazwan. These are basically ribs cooked and then deep fried in ghee. The only challenge if you are outside Kashmir is to get the right size of ribs. These are nicely cooked, crisp on the surface and soft inside. Moving to recipe, I have taken 1 kg of mutton ribs, a small bowl of ghee or clarified butter, salt according to our taste, 3 black cardamom, 5 to 7 green cardamom, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon fennel powder and 1 to 2 sticks of cinnamon. The first thing that we are going to do, we have to bring water to boil and put the mutton ribs in it. We are not going to use any spices here. Here we are going to remove the scum from the surface of this boiling water, the greyish foam that gets formed. We will keep it removing till the water gets clear, till you see that no more foam is getting formed on the surface. Once we are done with this, we will transfer this mixture to a cooker. Put all the spices and give it 2 to 3 whistles. Once it's cooked, I'll transfer again it to a pot and let it boil for some time so that it becomes tender. Meanwhile, at this point, check the salt and put salt according to your taste. And on the other hand, I have heated in a pan ghee and I'll transfer these ribs to it. Here we have to be patient because we have to cook it on total low flame so that they will become crisp on the surface and tender and juicy inside. I'll keep it on a very low flame and let it cook. And then flip them to other side. So here our Tabakhmaaz is ready. We'll transfer it to a plate and I have put a paper towel so that it absorbs extra ghee. So here our Tabakhmaaz is ready. Though the shape is not up to the mark, but taste is. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. It's very simple to cook but very tasty. Here I am showing you that it's a crisp on the surface and soft and juicy inside. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.